Hi everyone, my name is Olivia and I'm a part of Johnny, Morgan, and Ethan's group, and we're going to be teaching you guys all about Audacity. But before we get into that, we want to explain what a podcast is. So in class on Monday, in simpler terms, we explained that a podcast was just an audio file, but according to Masterclass, a podcast is a collection or series of digital audio files that are made available for downloading or listening via the internet. Each individual audio recording is known as a podcast episode, and these episodes are typically hosted by an individual or a group of people who lead a conversation, share stories, or report the news. Okay, so now that we know what a podcast is, what is Audacity, what is it used for? Well, Audacity is a tool for beginner podcasters who want to explore the creative works of editing and uploading a podcast. They can use different types of audio and include both special and basic effects and edit however they want. Audacity in the classroom helps fundamentals of listening and learning. Exposing students to Audacity can help them be more creative and be more involved in classroom engagement as well, which is awesome for the community of the whole school. Say if one student is interested, it can tally off and they can create say a whole club of podcasts, which is super awesome. Or if another teacher recommends a podcast to another student, others can start to listen, which is awesome as well. Speaking of, one of the most familiar podcasts would have to be TED Talk. I know my group has been heavily influenced by TED Talk via video, but once we found out that they have podcasts, which is super awesome. And there's another podcast, which is called the Story Seeds Podcast. And a quote from this is that it inspires young writers with the innovative series in which award-winning children authors interview a kid or tween with a great story idea and then write and read aloud a story inspired by the kids, which is super awesome. How Audacity works. There's a link for Audacity for beginners, but I'm sure my group will take care of that, not only through the eyes of this YouTube video, but in person in the class, which I wish I could be there for. But Audacity does offer quick help when downloading, which is super amazing, and it's all found on their homepage. And overall, Audacity is amazing because it is free. Super easy to download right off the website. It includes editing multiple audio formats, and you have the ability to record live sound and audio playback on your PC. It includes so many options for help, like I said before, all found on their homepage, which is super awesome. And here are all our links. And I just want to thank you guys so much. I'm so upset I could not be there. I wish I was there. But I'm rooting for Johnny, Morgan, and Ethan to rock this presentation. So yeah, happy downloading, guys. And have so much fun with Audacity. All right. Thank you. Bye.